Namaste and welcome to this full body beginner flow practice. This is going to be a short practice where we'll flow from one posture to the other. Yes, with that, let's get started by standing up into a comfortable position. Spread your legs wide, take your arms on the side and open. You hug the arms as you exhale. You inhale, open the arms as you welcome the energy from the surrounding. Exhale, hug. Inhale, open. Welcome the surrounding from the energy. Exhale. Keep going. Inhale. Exhale. Release. Put your hands on your waist and give a good big hip circle, addressing your body as much as you can. Make sure you enjoy what you're doing. Yes, you don't have to be all tensed. The more you relax your face muscles, the more welcome the body feels. Reverse the direction. Lovely. Open your left leg out on the left side. Drop your left palm down, right palm up. Stay here and breathe. Look at the right palm. Keep your left arm also alive. Don't have to take the support. Take your both the hips and chest in one line. Inhale, come up from here and bend, widen the stance of your leg. Yes. Stay. If your knees are collapsing in, push it out. Breathe. We lift the back heel, the right heel up, and we open the heart towards the left side. Open your chest, tuck that navel in and stay. Exhale, slowly lower your hands down. Take your left palm up towards the sky. Hold there, breathe. Slowly release the hands, push the hips back and stay as per your capacity. No need to push or pull. Just stay wherever you can. Slowly come back to the front, bending the front knee. Lift up the back knee. Take your both arm up. Opening to the warrior two from where you entered. Switching and straightening the leg to Trikonasana. Inhale, come back up. We do the same thing on the other side. So turn out the right leg, right hand down, left arm up. Keep the energy alive. Don't sink your chest ahead. Keep it back. Don't take your hand back. Keep it in line with the shoulder. Inhale from here, bend into warrior two. Look at the right fingertip. Breathe. Exhale slowly. Release the hands down. Drop your back knee. Take your right palm up. Open it. Slowly release your hands down. Push the hips back. Slowly take the knees back into the front. Lift up the back heel, back knee. Slowly coming up into warrior two. I think we missed the warrior one, so let's go into the warrior one and we hold it here. Look up. Tuck the navel in. Lovely. Breathe here slowly. Open into warrior two. And straightening the legs to go to Trikonasana. Slowly coming back up. Get your both the feet slightly closer. Turn out the toes. Join your palms to push down into Kali Asana. Tuck the navel in. Push the knees out. Breathe. Slowly straighten your legs. Toes in, heels out. Drop the hands down. Release the head and stay. Very slowly bend the knees. Shift the weight on your palms. Heel toe your leg towards each other. Come down into Malasana. Close your eyes, spine tall. No matter where your Malasana is today, that's your Malasana. Just breathe into it. Left arm down, right arm up. Inhale. Exhale. One more breath. Inhale. Exhale. Come back. Right arm down, left arm up. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Come back to the front. Slowly sit down and relax your breath. Thank you so much for practicing with me. Namaste.